I've been eagerly awaiting your arrival. You see, the divine journey that delivered you to this video was no random event. As you're about to discover, there are no accidents in this universe. Every major event in your life has happened for a reason, all to bring you to this moment, right now. I know your trek has been a long one. You've risen over tall obstacles, navigated harsh waters, and weathered life's heaviest storms. But the fact that you're here today is proof that a powerful transformation has already awakened deep within you. And now you, beautiful one, are finally ready. You're ready to experience the world of magic and limitless abundance you were born to live. Yes, right now, today, is the moment you've been waiting for your entire life. Starting in the next few minutes, I'm going to reveal a life-changing, purpose-unfolding, destiny-delivering secret made from the core of real-life magic. A secret that will feel like a long-lost wand from the fabled world of Atlantis has safely fallen into your possession. And all you have to do is wave your wrist to create anything and everything you've ever desired, all in the flash of a divine spark. In what feels like seconds, you'll create more boundless energy, body confidence, a picture-perfect health that makes you feel like the world's most radiant being, happiness, joy, and the gathering of your closest soul family, a loving, more deeply connected relationship with your existing partner, or finally attract your sacred soulmate, even your celestial twin flame. You'll receive all of these wonderful, much-deserved gifts in the blink of an eye. But those are really just the first course of angelic delights that await. Because the more important part is, as soon as you unwrap my divine secret, you'll finally